How to edit songs on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. In today's video, I will show you how you can edit songs and separate the sound of the instruments from the sound of the artist. Music is a very important aspect in our lives. Whether we are sad or happy, there is always music that can describe our feelings. Unfortunately, the position of people involved in music is very interesting. They use various tools to separate parts from the song, such as vocals or instrumentals. However, it is now possible to do this on your iPhone as well. Let's see how. First of all, you need to install an application called. It's free, and you can find it on the App Store. Open the application. When the application has opened, tap on the button located at the bottom of the screen. A small menu will open in which we need to select the Choose Files option. We select the file from which we want to separate the sound and tap on the Open button located in the upper right corner. After that, we will select the vocal and instrumental option in the list of offered options and tap on the Start Processing button at the bottom of the screen. All that's left is to wait for the AI to do its job, after which you'll be able to use the results. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.